What is good, people? We're back again for another video. For this video I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes on an editorial style shoot I did with some friends of mine, Shan and Shan. They are a styling duo for both hairstyling and clothes styling. I'll put their links in the bio for you to go check out their work. Super talented, the both of them. Was amazing to work with them and collaborate on this shoot. The images actually ended up being featured in the Black in Britain exhibition, which I think is still going on at the moment. I'll put a link in the bio if you want to go check it out. But I'm going to take you behind the scenes, kind of show you how we got the final images. I'm super happy with them, and yeah, just catch a vibe with us. Let's go. Again, thank you so much for making it this far into the video. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to give me a comment, a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It all helps. I'd be curious to know what was your favorite image from the set in the video. So if you just drop a comment and let me know what was your favorite image, that would be amazing. Also, going forward, I asked on my Instagram about a week ago what kind of content you guys would like to see on the channel. A lot of people said day-to-day vlogs, day in the life kind of style outside of me doing photography. So just let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing more of my day-to-day kind of life. I'm working on some of that content at the moment, but yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll be back again next week. Peace.